Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to import videos from your PC into Capcut application. Begin by launching the Capcut application on your computer. Once the program is open, either start a new project by selecting New Project, or choose an existing one where you'd like to add your video. Within the project interface, you'll find an import button or icon, which allows you to bring in media files. Clicking this will open a File Explorer window where you can navigate to the folder containing your video files. Select the desired videos and click Open to import them into Capcut. As an alternative, you can also drag and drop video files directly from your computer's File Explorer into Capcut's media library. After importing, the videos will appear in the media library and you can drag them onto the timeline to start editing. When you're finished with your edits, you can save or export your project as needed. This process makes it easy to bring your video files into Capcut and begin your editing work. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing to support the channel. Thanks and take care.